At this time, we're still trying to identify who um, that person is. Um, we're hoping that maybe through the clothing found in the shallow grave, we can match that to the clothing that was being worn by one of those persons when they went missing. But so far, we have not been able to do so.
We are doing DNA testing on unidentified skeletal remains or human remains that are in an advanced state of decomposition. We've been doing that for the past several years. What's changing is we're doing it with a faster turnaround time, more efficiency. So the set of remains or that particular case from this week, it's still pending a post-mortem examination. It still goes through a medical legal post-mortem examination and an anthropological assessment of the remains, during which a sample is collected, typically certain types of skeletal samples. And if we have a relative or a next of kin that suspects it to be their loved one, then they have to provide a sample for us to be able to confirm the identity. That has not happened yet. So the post-mortem needs to happen. Currently we have about 15 post-mortem cases aside from that case. So there is an issue in terms of backlog of cases. Um, Eventually, hopefully by the end of next week, we have collected the necessary samples, and the total time for DNA to identify any individual that would come up in cases like that would be about 2 or 3 months. It can be faster depending if the conditions are right with shipping and sample collection, etc.
So within 3 months, we would know who the identity is.
That is our aim, to get any unidentified skeletal remains or human remains identified the latest within a 3-month time period. The sooner we do it, the better.